All right, if you signed up to retake the writing inequalities section of your summative, this is the video you should be watching. Should be a real quick video. So the big piece with writing inequalities is that you've got to know your buzzwords and your language. So you've got to be able to pick out those words that mean different math terms, like product, for example, of a number y and 2 is less than 15. So you've got to read through that. And you've got to find those key words or phrases that you're using in this, okay? So you should be correcting your summative as you listen to this video. So if you don't have that out, pause the video, pull out your summative, and correct it as we go. All right, so when we look at this, the product of a number y and 2 is less than 15. So when we see this phrase, is less than, anytime it's is and then less than or greater than, that's our inequality sign. So we're using the is less than sign and 15. Then the only other piece you've got to figure out is y and 2. What does product of y and 2 mean? Product, if you think of your buzzwords, means multiplication. So we're multiplying 2 and y together to give me 2y is less than 15. For the second one, the quotient, so quotient is a buzzword of c and 3 is greater than or equal to 20. So quotient is our buzzword for divide. So quotient of c and 3 just means we're taking c and dividing it by 3. And then we've got the is greater than or equal to. Is greater than or equal to is this symbol right here, 20. So again, this section is going to be pretty straightforward for you to fix once you learn those inequality symbols and those buzzwords, which you can study in your notes. So fix this in your summative. Do some of the extra practice that's linked to Schoology, and then when you come back to school on Tuesday the 22nd, you're going to bring me your corrected summative after this video and any extra practice so that you can retake. All right, see ya.